already prep and prime my face, and for foundation, I'm going to use this Hanskin Bio Origin Royal Ampule BBX by Skincure Celtrian, and I'm going to use my mushroom brush. I know it's much lighter than my skin tone, but since this makeup tutorial is more about Korean products, I'm trying my best to use all Korean products here. So yeah, ibabuff ko lang para medyo magpantay siya at hindi ganun kaputi. I have this puff from the Face Shop. So yon, gagamitin ko siya just to, blend it out and para hindi siya ganun ka-harsh. And as you can see, para siya nagkakaroon ng airbrush finish. So, since naubos na yung aking cushion, it's from the cushion that I have before, ayun rin ang ginagamit ko para magkaroon siya ng airbrush finish. For my brows, guys, yun nga, I always use 2 to 3 products for my brows because I want the ombre effect. Yun. Since ang goal ko is to use Korean products, I'm using the Face Shop eyeliner or eyebrow pencil and also the Mumuso one because Mumuso is much darker than the Face Shop. So, nagkakaroon talaga ng ombre effect. Again, I'm just outlining my brows using the Mumuso one and then shading it with the Face Shop kasi nga mas lighter yung Face Shop. Tapos here, dinadarkan ko lang yung dulo kasi nga yun nga yung kailangan mas darker yung dulo kaysa sa mga gitnang portion ng kilay. So, yan. I'm trying my best to shape my eyebrows as straight as possible kasi ganun yung sa Korean trend. But yun nga, I have naturally high arches. But yeah, hopefully nagawa ko naman yung straight eyebrows. So yan, nililinis ko lang rin siya ng concealer. But since I don't have Korean product na concealer, as usual lang, yung dati ko lang na ginagamit. I forgot to set my face. So yeah, siniset ko siya with Coty Airspun. Wala rin akong powder ng Korean product. But yeah, I have to use yung mga products na meron lang ako. Gagamitin ko na yung Sin palette or Sin na package. Yan, gagawin ko siya pang contour tsaka of course sa eyeshadow. So yeah, I'm so excited. First time ko siyang gagamitin, guys. Pati yung Too Cool for School na contour powder. So yeah, let's see anong pwede kong gawin dito. So here, I'm using the darkest shade on the Sin palette, which is the medium dark. Yan ang gagamitin ko sa aking crease to define it. Pero I define ko lang siya mostly on the outer edge of my crease. So here naman, I'm going to use this smooth jelly shadow ng Unpretty Rap Star, which is Wild Almond. I'm going to put it on the inner and outer corner of my eyelid since the one that I'll be doing on my eyelid is a halo effect. The middle part naman, I'm going to use Monocolor Shadow Daisy Peach ulit, again, by Unpretty Rap Star. And ginamit ko lang yung finger ko to apply it because parang mas maganda yung color payoff niya. I love this color. I love the peachiness of this one. And yan, di ba? Ang ganda niya sa gitna ng eyelids natin. So, for the inner corner, we're going to highlight naman para mag-open up yung ating eyes. I'm going to use this Easy Longwear Auto Shadow, again by Unpretty Rap Star. Pati sa ilalim, lalagyan ko rin. Kasi diba sa mga Korean, mostly na mga under eyelid nila or sa under eye nila is parang shimmery or glittery. So, tapos i-set ko lang rin siya nung Daisy Peach para mag-set yung gel. So yan, o diba, ang liwanag ng aking inner corner. Tapos lalagyan ko lang rin sa baba yung brown, medium brown para alam mo yon, connected siya dun sa eyeshadow natin sa taas. I will just tight line and line my Waterline using, this is the key palette. I don't have any Korean products for my waterline. So, yan na lang ginamit ko. Tapos kasi sa Korean, di ba, yung ano nila, liner nila, hindi yung nakataas na nakataas. Kailangan medyo patapa siya para parang cute tingnan, gano'n. Parang maamo yung mukha nila. Tapos medyo hindi ako na-satisfy sa yung color ng crease ko. So, I just want a pop of colors. So, kinuha ko yung aking NARS na Taj Mahal kasi I love the color and I think it blends with the peach. To highlight naman my brow bone, I'm using this NPT Rapstar Multi-Drawing Contour Kit, which is the 01 Pearl Highlighter. Ngayon naman, let's try to use Too Cool Art Class by Rodin na bronzer. So, yeah, yan ang pinangko-contour ko. And as you've noticed, guys, I'm contouring and making this illusion of V-line kasi hindi siya katulad ng western na yung cheekbone yung inaalsa. Ito, kailangan gumawa ka ng V-line as in talagang kailangan lumiit yung mukha mo kasi ganun yung mga napapansin ko sa Korean. Ganun sila. So, yan. If you notice, sa gilid lang ako nagko-contour. Sana nakuha ko nga actually. I'm not really that confident na nakuha ko yung Korean makeup, but I'm trying. Ginamit ko rin yung medium dark na contour palette ng Sin. So, maganda rin siya kasi dark siya and all that. So, yeah. So, medyo lumiliit na yung mukha natin. Pero, pati yung leeg pala kasi medyo mataba yung leg ko. Since mataba naman talaga ako. So, yeah, contour tayo. So, for the nose line naman, I'm using the medium. Yung gitna nung contour palette ng Sin because that's perfect for nose contouring. So, yan. Medyo lumiliit na yung tangos ng ilong or lumiliit na yung ilong ko. For the blush, ang gagamitin ko naman yung lip and cheek tint or watery tint ng Face Shop. So, this is on number 4, Red Up. So, yeah, medyo makapal siya. I'm not sure kung tama itong ginagawa ko, but yeah, biniblend ko na lang siya kasi nga medyo napakapal yata. Medyo napakapal nga kaya yon kung kinuha ko yung foundation brush ko since may residue pa yun ng BB cream. Yun, pinahid ko siya doon sa blush para maging natural. Kasi nga, orange na yung eyes ko. Alam nga naman, sobrang red na red naman yung cheeks ko. So, yeah. To highlight my cheekbones, I'm going to use this pearl highlighter doon nga sa contour kit ng Sin. And, nung pagka-swatch ko sa kanya or pagkalagay ko sa kanya dun sa cheeks ko, grabe, ang ganda nitong highlighter. Look at it. It's so bongga. My God, very promising to. So, yan. So excited for future tutorial. Ano ang magagawa nito. Kita nyo, sobra. Para siyang, oh my God. Ang ganda niya, yun lang masasabi ko. Kasi nga, onti lang naman ang highlighter na meron ako, diba? So, yan. Ganda. Perfect. For my lips ulit, I'm going to use this watery tint ng The Face Shop in 04. Of course, kasi onti lang naman talaga yung Korean products ko or Korean makeup ko. So, yan. Lalagyan ko muna siya ng concealer. And then, I'll concentrate the watery tint in the inner part of my lips. Kasi ganun yung style sa Korea. Mas maraming kulay dun sa loob, tapos pa-fade. Parang natural looking lang. So, ganyan. Try natin. Kasi first time ko actually gagawin to. I'm really not sure anong magiging itsura ko. And then, I'll just fix my hair using their Bodana 40mm. Sana makuha ko. Kasi actually, wala ako masyadong idea. I'm not a K-pop fan, but I'm turning into one kasi yung kasama lagi ng anak ko, yung best friend niya is like a K-pop girl. Anak ko kasi is like an American pop eh. So, yeah. Yan, kinukurl-curl ko lang, tapos tinali ko. And then, nagpapatugtog ako dito ng K-pop. Just, to feel the vibe. So, ay, nako, ewan ko, anong mangyayari nito. Give me your reaction, guys. Thumbs up if you like it. If you don't, huwag naman dislike. And since I'm not satisfied with the eyeliner na nilagay ko kanina, yan, dinagdagan ko siya ng Mumuso eyeliner. And yeah, I love it. Naging talagang na-feel ko yung pagka-K-pop na. Kulang na lang talaga ng Korean dance, K-pop na. What do you think, guys? So yan guys, this is the final look for this makeup tutorial. I hope you do like it. Sana nabigyan ko ng justice yung Korean look. Let me know what you want to see next on my channel, and please don't forget to click the like button and subscribe to my channel for more videos. Again, thank you so much for your time guys, and see you on my next video. Bye!